Yeah. Okay. That's not good. Put it back together. Try not to pick it up by that thing again. Alright. Alright, looking good. See, what I mean about an angle is that it's like pointing off to that way, so you got to make it like it's flat, on the flat ground.
Is that good like that?
No, it's not. Here, hold on. Here, let's try it like this. There, that's pretty good. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are close to launch. Mission Control is undertaking the last necessary preparations. The astronauts are already in the capsule. Mission Engineer, is everything proceeding according to plan?
Yes.
Come this way, Mission Engineer. You should be on this side with me. Okay. Hold on, let's zoom in a little bit. Zoom in on that there rocket ship.
Are you ready?
I think we're as ready as we're going to get. All right, so let's have the countdown. Are the astronauts ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Whoa! Wow!
Wow.
That's way up there. Can you see it? Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Uh-oh. I don't see any parachute. Well, it's coming right down. Looks like it's... Come on, parachute, open up.
It's out already.
It's out already, but